everyone, Sarcasm here, and welcome to another episode of Snack React. So, yeah, more Uwajimaya stuff, although this time it's stuff from the previous trip and not the most recent one. Yeah, reviewing these a bit out of order, but whatever. Now that I actually have time to actually record videos and stuff, might as well get to it. So yeah, I have 3 snacks today, no drinks. But, yeah. Actually, they're all chips. So, to start things off, I have from Finest Thai Gourmet, authentic Thai taste fried crab chips. Made from real crab. Product of Thailand, 100%. Okay. Best before August 23rd, and this is September 14th. Yeah, close enough. Now if I can get this open. Okay, gonna carefully remove this, put this in a bag, so I don't end up, accidentally cutting myself with it. So yeah, nice little chips. Mild seafood scent. This kind of reminds me of, like, some varieties of shrimp chips. In this case, I guess it's fried crab. Yeah, getting the same general. Ooh, has a bit of a kick to it. The same general flavor as like the shrimp chip. Shrimp chip. Wow, I can't speak today. Shrimp chips, although with like a slight maybe peppery aftertaste. Actually, pretty good. Yeah, I can see myself finishing this off. So, as I think I started last episode, I'm doing the what was it? The reviews, like the ratings after each item as opposed to at the end now. So for the fried crab chips, I'll give this one a 7 out of 10. Pretty good. Admittedly, the peppery aftertaste kind of lingers a bit longer than I'd like. So, yeah. But, yeah, personal preference and all that, you might like it better. Next up, I have Calbee melty cheese potato pizza potato chips. Got that scrambled a bit. Yeah, so pizza chips. I mean, expecting cheese, maybe pepperoni. Let's see now. Calbee's original pizza potato chips pack a zesty pizza kick. Saucy drops of melted cheese, herbs, and spices are a perfect match for crunchy, rich cut potato chips. Buon appetito! Says it right at the back there. Yeah, this one, beginning of last month, still, they're chips, so there's usually a decent margin of error when it comes to the dates on that. So, let's get this open. This is, I think, the smallest bag of chips I have. So, do I have something to cut this open with? Or at least make a little tear. This works. If all else fails, use nail clippers. Ooh, wow. They weren't kidding about the herbs and spices. That smells good. Decent sized chip. Yeah, it smells like I'm not sure if pizza is what I'm smelling, but it's like it is a good smell. I like the combination of herbs and stuff. It's just good. Sorry if I'm not exactly using a large vocabulary of words, but you know, yeah. Sorry, I'm a little off my game today. It's been a while since I've recorded one of these. That is really good. Yeah, the combination of flavors, it's like... I mean, yeah, I can kind of see like a kind of a pizza flavor there. At least one that's properly seasoned. Like, we're not talking like a just plain cheese and pepperoni pizza. It's like, nah, it's like, you gotta properly herb this thing. Yeah, that is... I haven't had chips that good in a while. Okay, so for the melty cheese pizza potato chips, I'm giving that an 8 out of 10. Slightly higher score than the shrimp chips, although the shrimp, not the shrimp chips, crab chips, though the crab chips get a slight bonus due to being like more of a unique flavor, whereas like pizza potato chips, like that's been done. Like I think Pringles has it. Do they still have that? Anyway, it's like, it's something I've had before, but this one definitely takes it to another level. And finally, from Cadena, I have, I believe it's brown sugar flavor sweet potato chips. Yeah, there isn't too much English on this bag, so I had to go to the listing by the ingredients. So yeah, sweet potato, brown sugar. Sounds like it could be good. Yeah, expiration date is like, okay, several months ago, but again, here's hoping it's still decent. Otherwise, I might have to cut this video short. Or possibly use some of my sick hours tomorrow. Okay, not really getting anything as far as the scent goes. Which, I mean, I know some potato chips tend to prefer not having, like, any significant smell. And this is what it looks like. So, yeah. Sweet potato, brown sugar. Um, let's try this again. Okay, this one's definitely going more the subtle route. I'm definitely getting that sweet potato flavor, that's for sure. And there's like a light sweetness in the background. I don't know if it's because it's a few months past the date, or if that's what they were going for. But I mean, it's not bad. Just more subtle than I was expecting. Yeah, I can finish those off, but I'm probably not gonna pick them up again. So yeah, for the brown sugar sweet potato chips, I'm giving those a 6 out of 10. It's okay, just not really my kind of thing, you know? So that's it for this episode. Let's see now, what's next up on the schedule? I think I have the other half of the Uwajimaya trip from the last episode. I think it was last episode. As well as a Kit Kat collection. Some more from, what was it? I think it just like Kit Kats from several places, including one I got for Christmas. Anyway, yeah, that's it for this episode. I hope you all enjoyed. If you, like usual, if you have any suggestions for stuff for me to try out, let me know down in the comment section below. And until next time, take care, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.